Hi devs, welcome to this series of videos about this project that I made for my job. It's a Laravel project where I used admin LTE to do the interface, the views and that stuff in the front end. And I use, Laravel, as I told you before, and MySQL as database, and I guess that's it. So to do this project, you may need to have some previous knowledge about Laravel. So like installation and that kind of things. But we can just go to the documentation page in Laravel. Here, the official. We have in the documentation page, and I'm here at 5.7. Sorry, 5.7. We already have the 5.8. Sorry, but I'm gonna stick with the 5.7 for this project because it's the one that I've been using for a while, and I think there is not much difference. So here are all of the steps that you have to follow to install Laravel on your computer. The requirements here: installation using Composer, and once you install it, you can create a new project like this using this command in your command prompt. But I use this because I want to use the 5.7 and all of the releases on this version, and only change this part to name your project as you wish. I name mine, I already have it here to avoid using time. I name mine inventory because that's what we are going to do, this system for inventory that I made in my job. So first, what we're gonna do, as I told you before, we are gonna use admin LTE. That's what I used for the interface. You may know it, as you can see. Let's go back here. Here, main page of admin LTE. You can see it here. Let's just check a little bit. This is it. Really nice dashboard. It's completely free, this one. There is a pay version, but this will do for us. We're gonna use this dashboard. So let's go and download it. Just go here, click the download button. Sorry. Okay, so now that we're here, just download the source code. This is the version we are using it, the last release. So I already have it. Just to avoid losing time, as I told you, here we have, and extracted. I have it here in my desktop, and this is what we got here. So we're gonna use most of these files, these carpets. Bower components is one of the most important. Dist and plugins. Here in pages we have this specific HTMLs for these pages. We are not gonna use them right now. We are gonna stick with the index. This is the one that we want. So we need to adapt the blade, to custom the index for our project. So let's go to resources. We have views. As you can see, we only have this welcome blade for Laravel. This is it. This is all we have right now. This is the main page of Laravel. When you create your project, it's always there. So we don't have much here. What do we need here? First, we're gonna create another carpet in here, a new one, and it's gonna be called layout. Oh, sorry. Okay. And inside this one, this is where we are gonna create our layout, our main layout. So, layout.play.php. Now, once that we have this, you can see, this is what we are gonna have in our index. So we are going to customize this one. So let's get this one, and I'm gonna open it with Sublime. I'm using Atom to program, but I like to use Sublime Text to watch, to see another codes, that might be helpful. So we're just gonna copy this and paste it here. So this is what we have here. This is all the HTML for the index that it's gonna be our layout, our main layout. Yeah, a lot of code, a lot of tags, HTML. I hope you know. And how do we customize this? Well, first of all, we need to tell the links where it's gonna be these files, where they're gonna be. In Laravel, as you may know, we do it like this. We tell our project that we are in this route. So we have the asset. This is our helper, pre-programmed code for helping, as the name suggests. This will tell Laravel that this will be in the public folder. What do we need here? We need this one, our components. We need it here at public. So we need this one, we need this one, and this one. Let's just move it here in order to can use all the plugins, CSS and JavaScript of this admin LTE. Okay, there we go. There it is. Now, we have to do this with all of these links, all of these paths. So I'm just gonna pause the video so that I can do this quicker, so that you won't see this. Okay guys, we are back and it's done. All the assets set where it has to be. Also, we need to do it the same with the JavaScript, sorry. And we have them here. We have in the public folder. And now let's do a quick test to see if everything is going right. So we have here the web page. We have this welcome blade that it's already here. It's just the Laravel welcome page. And let's do another one. Create test one, just for fun. Test blade.php. So how are we gonna use this? We are gonna do a section. We will give this name like content, and we're gonna tell it extends our layout blade. So we tell what it is, the folder, and the name of the file. Layout, as we name it here, and just do a quick header here. Hello. That's it. Now let's go to our blade and look for content. So here it is, main content. Here's where we are gonna put our blade. As you can see, we have this. Let's just erase this, and we're gonna do Jill name the same as our blade. It's redirect content. So here's where this hello it's gonna appear here. Now we need to do one more change. Instead of welcome, we're gonna rename this as test, so that we will be redirected to this file instead of as you can see, is out of the views folder. So let me put it here where it belongs. Yeah, that's better. Test. So our file will find it, our route, and let's go and test it. As you may see here, I already got it running my server, my PHP, and let's go here and go to localhost. It should show us our page, our main page that we just created. And here we go. It's working, and as you can see, here's our hello that we just created. So I think this is enough for the first video. We'll continue in the next one, creating the migrations and the models for the database, and also the database as well, of course. So let's see you to the next video, and thanks. Subscribe if you like it. It will help me a lot. And yeah, so see you next time.